Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust headlights on your Hyundai Accent. First, park your car on a level surface, exactly 25 feet from a wall. This distance is crucial for accurate aiming. Next, ensure your tire pressure is correct, as improper inflation can affect your car's stance and headlight aim. Finally, locate the adjustment screws on the back of each headlight assembly. These are typically Phillips head screws. Now, measure the distance from the ground to the center of your headlight lens. Transfer this measurement to the wall, marking it with tape. Then, measure and mark a second line exactly 2 inches below your first mark. This lower line will be your target for the top of the low beam. Turn on your low beams and observe where the brightest part of the light hits the wall. With your low beams on, use a Phillips head screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw. Turn it clockwise to raise the beam and counterclockwise to lower it. Adjust each headlight separately until the top edge of the brightest part of the beam aligns with the lower mark you made on the wall. For horizontal adjustment, turn the other screw to center the beam. After adjusting both headlights, step back and confirm they are aimed evenly and correctly. Take your car for a short drive to ensure the new aim provides clear visibility without blinding oncoming drivers. Remember, proper headlight adjustment is key for safe night driving. Also, check the description for a link to quality accessories, including some fantastic socks and other great deals to enhance your driving experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.